Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen broth chicken. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on quality chicken bones like backs and wings, along with aromatic vegetables. Roasting your chicken pieces beforehand is a crucial step. It develops a deeper, more complex flavor and gives your broth a beautiful golden hue. Ensure you have a large stock pot ready, ideally one that holds at least 8 quarts, to accommodate all your ingredients comfortably. Once your chicken is roasted, transfer it to your stock pot. Now, it's time to introduce your aromatics. Add generous amounts of fresh ginger, whole garlic cloves, and the white parts of green onions. Cover everything with cold water. This slow heating process helps extract the most flavor from your ingredients. For an extra layer of umami, consider adding a few dried shiitake mushrooms. Bring your pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat. It's important to avoid a rolling boil, as this can make your broth cloudy. As it heats, you'll notice foam and impurities rising to the surface. Carefully skim these off to ensure a clear, clean broth. Let it simmer for a minimum of 4 hours, but for a truly rich and flavorful broth, aim for 6 to 8 hours. After simmering, carefully strain your broth through a fine mesh sieve or even cheesecloth to remove all solids and achieve a perfectly clear liquid. Now, it's time to season. Start with salt, then add soy sauce and a touch of mirin, adjusting to your preference. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Your homemade chicken ramen broth is now ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.